Yes, people, back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the links below. TikTok, everything. Instagram, jump on it. Discord, everything. Just join everything, like everything. And yeah, so New Balance. We know New Balance is basically taking over. It's New Balance's year. Usually what happens is Nike obviously do big things, and then there's always a year which another brand, so Puma had their year a few years ago. It's now, I think, New Balance's turn. Let's get straight into this. No more box talk because, you know, I don't want to talk about box, and no one likes me talking about the box. So we've got the 2002R in this lovely beige colorway. I'm going to call it beige just to make it very simple. So it's like different tones. I love this colorway, man. It's grown on me so much. I'll be honest with you. Like, just the colors, the more I see it, the more I love it. We'll just run through the colors and then we'll talk more about the shoe. So the bottom, we've got standard black and beige. There's New Balance standard 2002R sole. Very durable, actually. It doesn't really wear down as much as other sneakers or trainers do. I have noticed that. Then we've got these fake air bubbles on the back. This kind of like springs, cushion, fake shocks, whatever you want to call them. All beige midsole. The upper, we've got this, as always, butter suede in this beige / light brown taupe color. I'm going to say taupe to sound like I know what I'm talking about. Then we've got a bit of beige mesh above. Taupe, again, suede, butter suede, honestly. We've got a leather N for New Balance. Then we've got mesh again, butter suede. We've got some synthetic leather on this bit. Then we've got that same leather here. Then we've got, you know, toe box mesh. We've got some 3M hints, and then the embroidered N. Then again here, the taupe, beige, everything. Laces are beige, and then the tongue has got that butter suede New Balance running. The inside, it gets dirty so quick because it's white. Don't mind that. I don't want to look like a scruff, so I'm not going to show you properly. Probably just seeing it. Cushion, lovely cushion. Literally, I worn them once, but like, you know, it does attract like little dust and stuff like that. Especially if you wear like black socks, it will just get it, but it's not that big of a deal, that cushion. But yeah, I really love what New Balance are doing. This colorway is so nice. It's so simple, like a summery type of vibe with the beige. Black on the bottom, which honestly I don't mind because on a lot of sneakers it does kind of go yellow and nasty. This is like black, so it's kind of fine. It doesn't take away from the shoe at all. I think it actually makes it look quite good. Overall materials 10/10. Mesh, everything's nice. Leather's good. It's not real leather, of course, it's synthetic, but don't quote me on that. But yeah, the suede, butter suede, honestly, they got the best suede New Balance. And you know, no quality control issues, nothing that I've seen on the shoe that is annoying me or anything like that. So yeah, these are definitely a buy. I don't really give 10 out of 10, so I'm going to give this like a 9.5 out of 10, just because of the colorway. They're easy to wear. You can wear them with all black. I got a few outfit ideas that I'll probably be posting on like the TikTok or some shorts or something. Check it out. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me if you like them, hate them, rate them. Check out all the socials. There's plenty of socials to check out. Wait a few seconds for the on foot, and take care, my people. bye.